Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping ever since while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. Sound of silence. The streets I walked along, now the streets of cobblestone. If they hadn't what was with love, turn my color to the going down, and my eyes were dulled by the flash of the neon light. The night, that's the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there. That's the sound of silence. Said I you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. If my words that I might reach you, if my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell. Oh, in the well of silence, and the people bow and pray to the neon god they made, and the silent path that is warning the words that it was proving. The sign say the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, and send them home. Whisper in the sound of silence.